So I've just had a quick break. I'm in Nevada. It's a beautiful day. And I'm in heaven. Well, I lost it. So this is me after the snow. So far I've had wind trying to kill me, rain trying to kill me, and snow. And now I've got this. Oh my god, look at that. Holy crap, that is good. I'm going to take some video there. Wow. You wouldn't want to cut the corners, would you? You'd end up... Oh. Oh my god. That is worth my day. What a day. What a place. Look at that. Actually, you watch the road and we'll let the camera take the view. Oh my god, seriously? And I keep saying that, but come on, it's better than sat indoors watching Netflix. And there we go, lovely lake in the background. Well, this makes up for the fact that I lost my 360 camera. But this would have been amazing using that. Look at it, it's beautiful. I don't even know where I am. I'm gonna have to look it up. 40 minutes ago, I was deep in shit in snow. Well, I might be delayed getting home because of the weather and the detour, but as usual, old Jemmy Coates landed on his feet, didn't he? First trip 6 AM, last trip, very close to all other vehicles with flammable cargo. Look at the deer on the beach. How cool is that? Look, can you see the deer on the beach? Is that ferry coming back? I think it is. Look, it's like something out of Beachcombers. Listen how quiet it is. Let's see if I get it all my own way today. Well, actually, I'm always optimistic, aren't I? I've had the wind try and kill me, the rain try and kill me, and snow try and kill me. And I think I'm lucky. Because I've just done that beautiful little trip down. And we're going on a ferry. So this is how you reframe it, isn't it? And there's the beast. Let's have a little look around, shall we? Actually, let's show you the screen. No, officer, I was not speeding at all. I'm going to have to soak it to clean it, aren't I? So far it's looked after me quite well. Actually, maybe I should name it. Any suggestions welcome. What I should call my bike. Here we go. On the ferry we go. Hey, look at this. So it's a free ferry. Here we go. Thank you. Cheers. And there we go. On ferry. That one's got a new toilet. which way till he tells me. Thank you. Oh, that's cold, isn't it? Look at that. Alright, let's crack on home.